Entering a certain friend's home was one of the greatest pleasures of my youth. Her dining room seemed to glow with warmth, just like her smile upon my arrival. Sitting in her company, I felt embraced, contented, satisfied. I daydreamed about creating that kind of atmosphere in my own home someday. Years later, I found myself as a wife and a mother with a never-ending to-do list. I had not forgotten my dream of welcoming guests through my door, but how could I be ready for hospitality when messes followed quick on the heels of my cleaning efforts, and the groceries seemed to nearly always be depleted? How could I give of my time to guests when I could barely keep up with my own family? Then a two-word phrase in Genesis 24 made me pause. The maiden Rebekah had welcomed Abraham's servant and his caravan into her family's home, assuring him that she had provender enough for them during their stay. Provender enough. She was prepared to care for their needs, to make them feel at home. The word provender implies simple fare, quite possibly the bare essentials, yet she offered what she had so freely. In that moment of selfless hospitality, she never imagined she was about to be blessed in a way that would be life-changing. My heart was moved to consider how I could be prepared to offer hospitality like this. After all, the smallest courtesy on my part could mean the world to someone else. My humblest offerings could touch the lives of others in ways they'd remember forever. Ultimately, I realized I need only to selflessly choose to care for others in the time that our paths cross. And if I do that, I can be assured I will always have provender enough.